Now, we intend to lead the world on 6G. What does that mean? That means that when telecom technology is promulgated or standards are set, that is set by a world body called the ITU, the International Telecom Union, or 3GPP. And when those standards are set, then international countries that are world leaders sit at that round table, for example, in front of me, cogitate, and based on their ideation, come up with a set of standards that all other countries, for example, everyone else in this room, will follow. But on this table are the standard setters. India has never been on this table. And it's for the first time with regard to 6G that the Prime Minister set the vision in 2023, and he set the goal that Bharat 6G Alliance, which is a group of companies, entrepreneurs, engineers and scientists from IITs across the country, telecom service providers, ISPs, telecom equipment manufacturers, the whole value chain is a part of the B6G Alliance. And we have grown from initially 15 members to over 100 members today. We have alliances with similar 6G platforms across 30 countries across the world, from UK to US to Brazil, to Africa, to all across the world. And so therefore we are working on a global alliance. And India, for the first time, is sitting on that table where standards are getting set for 6G. And for the first time, our proposal of ubiquitous connectivity to every single citizen across the globe as a paper has been admitted and accepted as part of the 6G standard setting protocol on that table. We propose to have contributed 10% of patents towards 6G. So India today is no longer following. India today is no longer walking. We're on that table setting the standards along with other stakeholders for the world as 6G gets rolled out over the next 3 to 4 years, which is a huge transformation for India.